So Yusuf is asking, at times of pandemic when we are all praying home, should we make adhan when we want to pray? The answer is, it is accepted and permissible. Is it mandatory? The answer is no. Because you live in Algiers and it's a Muslim country and the masjids there call adhan. So their adhan would suffice for you. If you are in a kafir country and there are no masjids calling the adhan, or if you're in the desert, then you should do that. But while in a Muslim country, while in a country where there are masjids that had already called the adhan, this is not mandatory for you. Plus, and this is a bonus for free, Iqamah is highly recommended, whether for men or for women, but it is not mandatory. So if I just go Allahu Akbar, the prayer is valid, but it is highly recommended to call for the Iqamah before praying, even if you are praying alone.